Hello and welcome to Britannia Cheese Star Chef. So, Saif, as you told me that you love pizza.
Love pizza.
And you know,
everyone loves pizza. Everyone loves pizza.
Yeah, everybody loves.
If you teach me how to make a good pizza, I will seriously impress my wife.
I'll definitely teach you how to make an authentic pizza. But right now, I thought that we have pizza in A style always. Why not make pizza in a different way? तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं pizza pockets. So let's do an ingredient checklist. Just heat the pan and we are going to add a teaspoon of oil in it. And in goes finely chopped garlic.
Okay, it's burning up quite fast, the garlic.
Okay, yeah. So you know now in goes the onions. We just have to like saute the garlic. We don't have to give it too much color. It smells so amazing, isn't it? We are virtually smelling the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now I'm going to add some veggies. So we're going to toss this. Add a little bit of salt, the mixed herbs, little bit of pepper, some chili flakes for Karina.
Well remembered.
I love food, you know, and everything about food. And especially, you know, knowing what people like and don't like, it's something that, you know, it comes as a package. So now we have this pizza sauce. You can add that as well. You can transfer it in a bowl if you have. Just take this slice of bread.
Yep.
Yeah. And we flatten it with the rolling pin.
Yep.
Perfect. The mixture that we made with veggies, just take a small teaspoonful and put it on the center of the slice. I'm making it into a triangle, but if you want, you can make it a rectangle as well. So accordingly, we put
triangles are fun.
Yeah. So now you have this grated cheese in front of you.
Yes.
So just stuff it in. So Chezza is the best option for this recipe because it's a perfect blend of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. It melts beautifully and it gives a nice yellow color. It grates really perfectly, tastes really good and creamy, and it's best used for pizzas. Now bring one edge on top of this and we have to seal the sides with water because this is going to get fried. So you need to wet the edges and keep pressing them so that the bread sticks together. Perfect, that's amazing. So now we put the bread, the pizza pockets, carefully in the oil and deep fry it until golden brown.
All right.
Okay,
so I think we're almost done.
Really?
So here,
mine too. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ready!
It looks great. It smells great. It's amazing. It's turned out quite cheesy. I can't stop eating it. I think the cheese is what makes it extra special. I have learned so many fun snacks.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Amazing. What a fun show.
And really enjoyed to see you cook, you know. You really enjoyed cooking and it was such a pleasure to see you enjoy this whole thing, you know.
Thank you, Chef Shipra, and thank you, Britannia. And you know, it's just been a really amazing experience for me to learn how to cook all these really fun snacks and things that I can really impress my family with. Things that are fun and super tasty.
So Saif, it was a complete pleasure to cook with you and Britannia Cheese.
If you have more such interesting recipes that are your own to share, send it to us and the ones we love the most will be featured on the show.
So it's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheese Star Chef. So stay tuned.
Well, goodbye till next week. Till then, keep cooking with the best.